the beat to contest the musicality, feeling that the music is okay. So let's know what you say. When I have my guitar, it's easy to create. I just play on a chord and think of something that sounds great. Imagining the bass, playing the bigger drums, and getting to sing loud, fucking my vocal cords. Oh yeah, I sing loud. Don't like it was in a show, playing all the songs I know. But now I am so far. Playing with my mind is not the way to be pop star. Down here in Florence, no instruments to play. I sing back to my friend just to find out what he sings. He looks right back to me, a smile in his mouth. He knows it's a good song, I managed to sing loud. Oh yeah, I sing loud. Don't like it was in a show, playing all the songs I know. But now I am so far. Playing with my mind is not the way to be pop star. I have a feeling that this music is great. So let it roll through our ears inside our hearts. And maybe sing with me, maybe sing with me. Don't wanna try it alone before some throat free guitar. Oh yeah, I sing loud. Shall I keep us in a show, playing all the songs I know. But now I am so far.